What the fuck, man? What the fuck?
AHM 7002. We recently watched your YouTube video, How to Make a Nerf Gun Out of Paper, and we were very disappointed to find that it is in fact impossible. We tried, and that's what we ended up with. Fuck you, AHM 7002. I spent 24 hours awake trying to make a Nerf gun out of paper, and this is what you give me?
Fucking hate you.
Bitch.
You killed my brother.
My wife left me. And then we hired this guy to beat you up. But we don't have the money to pay him. Oh, God.
Fuck the police coming straight